My name is Chris Casey. I am a director at Liberty Mutual Insurance and their distribution organization, and I am in the blended learning program at Babson. So I think one of the big misconceptions with an online program is that it's just you and your computer going through the program by yourself. What I quickly learned as I started the Babson program was it's not like that at all. The first week I was here was 1 week on campus, intensive time with my cohort, with the staff and faculty. That really set the tone for the rest of the program. I felt like the professors were heavily invested in our education. There's actually another person on the other end of the camera that you can actually talk to and ask questions. And they really make themselves available even though you're not in the 2-year or the regular part-time program. They don't treat you any differently. And you're getting that full MBA curriculum, the full MBA experience. You have access to all that the campus offers in terms of staff, faculty, and facilities. It's the same content as the part-time or the 2-year program, it's just a lot faster. For me, one of the positive outcomes already is that I've transitioned into a new role within my company since starting the program. Having the Babson MBA on my resume and having that experience from the first year of the program was pivotal in my taking on that new role. It's great to see that the payoff is there from the time invested in the program, and I look forward to future opportunities that come from not only just participating in an MBA program, but the network and the learnings of the program.